vlog.
Welcome.
We are in Melbourne CBD. We actually just filmed an event together and we thought while we're here we might go and suss out the Christmas decorations and Christmas lights because there's a lot happening here in Melbourne City.
Yes, and it's nearly Christmas, so it's kind of our last chance to do this before the big day, really.
So we're currently on our way to the Christmas River show, which is a show that's on every 15 minutes and it's like on the Yarra River and it has these lights and Christmas music and all that stuff. So that's our first stop and then we're going to suss out a few other places in Melbourne City that are Christmassy. I hope you enjoyed this vlog.
Let's go!
Let's go! We're about to walk under this bridge.
Wow, do you want photo or video?
No, boat. So we just went over the Evan Bridge walk and we took some really cool photos. There's like a big star. You can probably see it here. See that big star? So Brieana has his big camera, right? And it has like a flash and stuff. And he's been asked to take someone's photo once. This happens all the time. Whenever we're out taking photos, they see the big camera and they think, oh, he's a professional photographer. Let's get him to take the photo. And we're gonna do a count of how many times Brieana gets asked to take a photo because it always happens when we're out with his big camera. So we're up to one. Just for context, it is 10:30 p.m. on a Tuesday night in Melbourne and it's absolutely packed. Can't believe how many people are here. It's like, oh,
yeah.
fall off the bridge. Now we've come across these candy canes. How freaking cute are they? This is so fun, just walking around the city, seeing all the lights. This is, I don't know what bridge this is, but this is the bridge that leads to Flinders Street Station. Okay, now we're on our way to Fed Square. Oh. Just head-butted. It's really cool because everyone's walking around with like things that are lighting up, like hats and stuff, and it's such a vibe here. Really cool vibe. Very Christmassy, very festive. And even though it's in the middle of summer, we're in freaking warm coats and jumpers.
I'm not freezing, but it's cold enough to like wear it.
To like, yeah, like I could go a hot chockey or something. Anyways, we've just arrived at Fed Square. How pretty is this archway? So pretty, oh my gosh. Also, count 2 on someone asking us to take photos.
Silent night, I only have one wish for the shooting star. Holy night, send me someone to love so I can.
So Brad and I just took this photo here by the Christmas tree and we wanted to recreate this photo, which we were dating at this point. I don't think we were even married.
2017, yeah.
2017 and it's 2023.
We've like just met, only a month.
Literally.
Or before that.
Yeah, and we were like, we have to recreate it.
We recreate it in video now.
Yeah. We should do this like every year.
Yeah, or like every
second year.
10 years.
Recreate it. I am loving all the fairy lights. How freaking cute.
To be honest, I would like buy something Christmassy drink to drink if I saw something, say, like that looks like Christmassy. But so I haven't seen anything cool, you know? Like,
there's nothing, yeah.
No one's
they should be selling,
taking advantage of that, you know?
What's in my hair? Yeah, they should be like selling like ice creams or hot chocolate or like something like
no one's capitalizing on
like
that
food-wise.
opportunity. Sorry, I'm always the negative one on these videos, but like this is really cool. But I just thought of how like this is nowhere near as good as other countries do it. Like if you look at London or whatever, like look at pictures of London. Like I bet they have such better experience. That's one example. I'm sure.
I know, like
plenty of places do it like that.
Not as epic, but like it's still been so fun.
It's fun, yeah, it's fun.
And it's cool that they have these things, but of course it's not going to be as good.
I know.
It's Melbourne.
Where's the Christmas desserts and treats and drinks and things to like? It is like late on a Tuesday night, like it's random time.
Yeah. So only 2 people have asked us for photos.
Oh yeah, because I've been standoffish. Is that the word, standoffish?
You're like, don't talk to me.
Yeah, I think
I
I've had to avoid it.
photo.
Normally if I'm just like taking heaps of photos of you, that's when it happens. But now I'm more aware of like how to avoid it.
Yeah.
It's like I take a picture of you, then I'm like quickly get out of there. Yeah.
When we were on that candy cane bridge, as you were taking a photo of me, I heard someone say, "Can you take a photo?" It's a freaking present. How cute is that? Even there's a friggin' whatever that's called, nutcracker.
You want a photo of the nutcracker?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Did you want a photo?
I thought it might make a good picture, but if you don't want it, it's fine.
When a bluebird calls on Christmas, love songs that we heard all just seem absurd on Christmas. When you hold me tight in the shimmering light.
So we've come to the State Library because there's meant to be a Christmas projection.
Oh, guess what?
And there is no projection on it. What?
We're 14 minutes late.
What? Oh wow, it is 11 p.m.
We just missed it.
Damn it.
Damn it. Big walk for nothing.
Dang it. If you come to the State Library between 9 p.m. and 11, you'll be able to see the Christmas projection and enjoy it for us because we obviously missed it. So we're just at De Grave Street and it looks so cute. There's like all these beautiful lights up and stuff. I'll show you it. We just got donuts. Hot jam donuts. And
Don't open them yet because it smells so bad here.
It
It's
does.
got like poop particles in the air.
We're on our way back to the car now. It's 11:30 p.m. It's past our bedtime. So we've come to our last little stop, which is this Merry Christmas sign. So I hope you enjoyed this little Christmassy Melbourne vlog. I hope you guys all have a great Christmas.
Merry
And
Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Bye.
Merry Christmas. Bye.
See ya.
Bye, bye, bye.